Jordan Station. Pag siya hindi sumama.
Magandang araw mga kaplanetang Earth. Nandito kami ngayon sa street food stalls, attractions sa Temple Street, Jordan. Kasama ko ang aking friend na si Susan. Nagkita kami kasi ay pupunta kami sa bahay mamaya. At bigla ko naalala, malapit na lang pala kami dito sa Temple Street, another tourist attraction. Maluwag ang lugar, hindi masyadong matao. Obviously, umuulan, pero marami pa rin mga naglalakad at namamasyal.
Video pero safe lang. Hindi naka-live.
Ito dati pinipilahan yan eh.
Did you ever think I'm a friend? Everything will come to an end. It's so complicated to let go. I've come to know hardest words to understand. Life's so easy to pretend, but everything will last for a night. The rage has come. I felt so young. Never call the name you wore from ash to glow. I fall in love.
Yan si Takabayan, Indian, nagbebenta ng mga tanduri at mga chapati.
Symptoms of my